All right, here's our retail store September update. This is an update for the entire month of September. So let's see what we made. First off, I'm going to give you a quick tour of what the store looks like right now. So it's currently October, but we're going to give you the update for September. So we put some new stuff down at the store. We've got still our journals and our Baby Yoda backpacks, our coffee cups, the In the End Jesus Win signs, but we've got some welcome butterfly signs. We've got some hummingbird fountains. We have collapsible, these things are collapsible cutting boards or like bowls. So these are really, really nifty and cool. We thought that they would sell really great down at the retail space. We've also got our Vasta, basically vegetable pasta maker. We've got some kitchen utensils. These are some new items. We've got a thermal food jar, some big terry cloth towels, some grow your own vegetable exotic fruits growing kit. We've got this cool like challenge grow your own pepper can. And then, of course, our home decor and our perfumes we still have down there. We also have some of our eyeshadows there, the bright eyeshadows. We've got a train kit there. We've got our, this is a hair brush straightener. This is a pet fountain, which is really cool. Then we have a DVD player, hoping to sell that for a decent amount. And then we've got our Paris and New York lenticular 3D cutting boards. So we've got both of those there. They're made by Cuisinart. We've got a motor remote control water bow, and this is our desktop pinball machine. So we're going to see how many of those that we can sell. So let's go ahead and we're going to walk around to the front of the end cap and show you what do people see from the road that's on our little island. So we've got perfume, LED lighted cosmetic mirror. We took some tequila golds, put them back on Hooked on Pickin, but we left some there. So if you're looking for some tequila gold, check out our weekly specials. Then we have the teapots. We've got the retro posters. We've got the little Christmas tree fairy light plants, the blender. We've also got the 1 cup a day half-gallon coffee mugs, the Paint Runner Pro kits, the Cuisinart mesh strainer, the red copper straws, and the baseball plate still is there, seeing if we can get it to move. Then we got our backpacks and our stools, some turkey hats for Thanksgiving, hoping to sell those out. We've got some origami kits. Some more toys, marker makers, jumbo playing cards. Everybody can use those at the holiday time. We've got some more toys here. This is kind of our toy section. These are a lot of toys that we've had there for a while, but they sell regularly. And so we thought, well, Christmas is coming up. Hopefully people will want to buy them here. So magic kits there. We've got the red one, the blue one, and then a green one. So they're all different kind of magic tricks. We've got a bubble machine there that we discounted. So we did put some pricing changes on a few items as well. This is a cool, like, build your own steam engine. It does actually inflate a balloon. Easy pockets, pans. We've got the art kit. We got some KN95 masks. We got some backpacks, some plushies, some Minions, some baby sharks, some LOLs, Fubble Bubble Maker, Amazing Magician Show. We sold a bunch of back scratchers this week. We'll tell you how many. We got some rubber band pistols. We've got some Dino Magic dinosaur makers, mystery makers. Then we've got our dinosaur excavation kits, Stormtrooper flask. Then we've got some Family Feud games, some micro shooters, and if they want to order from the store, they can always see that sign and order straight from the store. Then we've got, this is a new thing we put down there, the Bigfoot research kit. Really fun thing, thought it would be great. And then of course we have the bin and rake pooper scoopers. So that is what is on our end cap. Let's go ahead and wander around the store and just see what other things she has. She has a whole end cap of cool figurines and action figures, things like that. And then we even have, of course, you can't do anything without Baby Yoda. So those are really cute, Baby Yodas. We've got a whole bunch of like home decor, lamps, organizational type things. We got desktop organizers. We got folder holders. Those really neat wire folder holders are amazing. So we've got some floor lamps, got lots of school supplies still. So folders and composition notebooks and journals and pencil cases, you name it. So if you're needing to refresh what your kid has, if you're running out of glue and markers and dry erase markers and all that kind of stuff, since it's about halfway through the year, definitely check out the Liquidation Station, or you can contact them with the contact info down in the description below, because you'll be able to get all of that stuff from them now. So go ahead and check that out. Look, it's a star. I'm seeing stars. So a lot of cool journals she's got down there. Some more supplies for school. Everybody can always use this kind of stuff. We got some cool pictures. So if you're decorating any space, we got lanyard holders. A lot of school IDs are needed to be worn. Lanyard holders will work good for masks as well. Lots of just random home decor items she's got here. That pink sign says Imagine. We got some DIY stuff. Backpacks galore. So I don't know about you, but my kids sometimes run through backpacks about halfway through the year, and so I need to get a new one. So here's a good option. Some party supplies and plates. We've got some health and beauty products here. Nail polishes, brushes, makeup brushes, Burt's Bees chapstick. A lot of electronics up here. That is a door holder. It looks like a pug. It's very heavy, full of sand or beads or something. Cool little pots, or you could use them for like a pencil case. Put a candle in there. All sorts of things. Giant pots for outdoor. Trash can. Christmas trees, Christmas trees. Any size of Christmas trees. We got a big king size bedding set. And more Christmas trees. 7 foot, 9 foot, 6 foot. You name it, they've got it. I'll show you some more Christmas decor too. They have a ton of stuff. Closet, clothing, tons of costumes right now since it's October. So they have a ton of different kind of costumes. Spaceman, a witch, some dinosaur costumes, dragon costumes. We got some princess costumes. From the Addams Family. A shark. Flash, another princess. So I'm showing you a lot of kids ones, but I will show you some adult ones a little bit later. Lots of clothing articles. They do have a bunch of shoes here as well. Check out hookedonpickin.com for shoes. We got a ton. So we've got some New Year supplies. Then we've also got all of this for Christmas. Look at all the bulbs. I believe this is a candle here. It just opens up and there's a really nice candle inside. Wreaths. There's one of our cornhole sets. You have to buy that. It comes with the bean bags and it's a really nice set. So hopefully you like Carolina Panthers. I guess it doesn't matter if you just want to play cornhole. Bunch of party supplies and gift bags off to the right there. Here's all our candy on our end cap. We got Candy Club and a bunch more toys down there at the bottom. Try to keep it close to the register for the impulse buys. Here's a bunch of shoes that she has for sale here. Different ones than we have. Of course, we've got like 800 pairs of shoes on Hooked on Pickin'. Some intimates, good spot for those. Some more clothes and fun things there. Wigs for Halloween. We got some costumes there. Adult-sized ones. This is an adult-sized one too. I think it's an adult shark. Then we've got a lot of Halloween decor right now that they have available at the Liquidation Station. Oh look, it's Dorothy Gale slippers. They even have, I believe, the Dorothy costume as well. A lot of accessories. Fun things for decor. We've got a bunch of different hats. Halloween buckets. Some fun fall decor. So not just Halloween. You can use this for Thanksgiving and different things like that. So these are really pretty Thanksgiving options. Like a cookie jar. Alright, I'm going to show you all of the costumes that they have still available at the Liquidation Station. Check these out right by the front door. These are all the kids ones, I think. Yep, see there's the Dorothy costume. We got princesses and witches. We've got Mickey Mouse there. Got a dinosaur. PJ Masks. Elsa. Minions. Doctor. Mad Scientist. Lego Movie. Transformers. Now here's all of the adult ones that they have. So they've got kind of a 1950s lady, like from Greece. They've got a witch. They've got Harry Potter. We've got the Karate Kid. Well, no, that's a pirate. A big dinosaur. Top Gun. Batgirl. Star Trek. Some Marvel characters, and they have some more off to the side there too. So fun stuff. What are the numbers?
Okay, what we've done is we've totaled up all of the sales down at Liquidation Station for the entire month of September. So the entire month of September. I know we're about midway through October. At the end of October, hopefully we'll do the same thing. It might take till early November to get all the numbers together and whatnot. So, we always break it into 3 different categories, food, toys, and miscellaneous. So the food total for the 4 weeks, it came to 4 weeks in September, was a grand total of $32.93. Everybody say yay! $32.93. Now, our big seller there was we sold 4 of the Candy Club jars in 4 weeks. That's 1 jar a week. But also the reason why the numbers are quite a bit lower is that there was no popcorn down at the store in the month of September. We're trying to move out the popcorn that we have so that we can do another big reorder with different kinds for the holiday season. So that was kind of got us caught in between the transition there. Now when it comes to toys, grand total for the 4 weeks, so for the entire month of September, toys was $259.44. So we always consistently sell toys down there. That comes to an average of $64.86 a week in just toys. So still a lot of people going down to buy toys there. So our big sellers, volume-wise, we sold 12 of those squishy balls for $17.88. That's like an entire box of those. And then we sold 7 of the rubber band pistols. Don't know why. People like to shoot each other with rubber bands. It's fun, I guess. $27.93. Sold 7 of those. And our big money maker were the star projectors. You like them on our fire sales too. Star projectors, we sold 3 of those for a grand total of $29.97. Now, another thing that we started to notice this month is we did not sell anything over $14.99. So a lot of small sales when it's all said and done. And then when it came to miscellaneous, we had a grand total of $134.77 in miscellaneous. So not terribly a lot in miscellaneous. We focused more on toys, but just recently we've put more miscellaneous style items down there. So hopefully that number will go up. So our big sellers in miscellaneous was we sold 7 back scratchers for $6.93. And then we sold 4 flag hats, American flag hats. Those were a pretty good deal for us. $35.96. And again, no item over $14.99. So we have got several items now that are over that price to try to drive up the profit margins and sales that we have down there. So grand total for the month of September was $427.14. $427.14. That works out to a weekly average of $106.78. Now, we call it a weekly average, but out of the month of September, the store was only open 12 days in the month of September, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So that kind of changes some of the numbers around too, if you want to think through that. And if you go $427, that's not a lot of money. And granted, it's not a lot. But if we consistently did that all year, it would be $5,100 extra a year. So you can imagine if you had an extra $5,100 in your pocket in a year's time, that'd be worth a decent amount for you.
And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.